Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to number 2 sine t. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 2 cosine t dt. So why I need to choose about this one? Because if I put this one gone here, we have 4 sine t square, number 4, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change by cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root and ds. So I will put this one gone here and here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have 4 sine t square. Number 4 and number 4 we can do about factorization. One minus sine t square we change by cosine t square. The square root of 4 cosine t square we have number 2 cosine t. And now we need to simplify. This one we have 16 sine t to the power of 4. And now number 16 I will put outside. So we have the formula in here. 1 over sine t equal to cosecant of t. And now we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we have the second formula in here. That is about cosine t square plus 1. So this one we have cosecant of t square and cosecant of t square. And now we need to change this one into this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to cosine t. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have negative cosecant of t square dt. Because we don't have the negative side in here, so I will put this one go to the left. So this one we change by z square. This one we change by negative dz. So the integration of z square, we have z to the power of number 3 over 3. And number 1, that is about z. About z, that is about cosine t. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 2. And now we have t equal to arc sine of s over 2. And now I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.